What does The Legend of Zelda, Legend of Zelda 2, Link's Awakening, Skyward Sword, Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom all have in common? Comment below if you know the answer. If you said it was about a green little elf man saving a princess, you're correct. The Legend of Zelda franchise is a big franchise where you play as a little man called Link and you save Zelda. So when the latest Direct happened and Nintendo said here's a brand new Zelda game, I was instantly fascinated with the idea that we were not going to be playing as Link. Today's the day the game comes out. Let's open it and let's unbox. Inside we have... Ooh, should be that way round. Ooh. Disappointed that the inside is Mario still. Yes, so we have the brand new Switch game, The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom, which stars Zelda as the main character. It has a very Link's Awakening Switch port art style. I love the box art. The box art is like amazing. I should have grabbed at the beginning and to compare box art with something. What's the game even called? Link's. I have all my Switch games up here. Link something. Do I even have a copy of the game? The Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom, Link's Awakening. I'm going to do a video on all these Switch games, by the way. So this is the art style for Link's Awakening, and that's the art style for the new Zelda game. So you can see they look very similar. Now the question is, game cart's not even in there. I was going to say, what does the game cart look like? But before we open all that up, we've got this really nice little Zelda-y keyring. It's quite heavy actually, I have to say. Comment below if you want me to do like a review of the game, because I'm going to try and play through the whole game. Because I'm intrigued. Oh, that's got a nice quality feel. So on the back, you've got The Legend of Zelda, and it tells you what game it is, and you've got Zelda on the front. And most importantly, the game. A World Without Link. Yeah. What's going to happen? I love the fact that they both look so similar in art design. Actually, you can see it's like the exact same art style for the Link. So, I really am looking forward to playing it. Okay, so that's the inside of the box. Cartridge looks cute. But to be quite fair, both insides do... I'm not very good at this. Both do look really good. Obviously, this got ported like 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. This is the brand new one. And I look forward to playing it. So that's going to do it for today. I'll probably see you lot in October for either Mario Party or for something else that I might film. I don't know yet. I need to decide. But if not, definitely Mario Party. Or if you want a review of this game, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to this video. And I'll catch you all later. Goodbye.